So I got the actually in one day I got this bed up, having done this over two. So both beds are now up. Rug is gone. IKEA boxes will sit here in a bit later as we clear them out of the hallway. They came today. They'll be made a bit later. I need to alter this curtain rail because it's gonna have to be a bit shorter. We don't need it out so far. The blind's gonna go and the new curtains will sit in here. So that's one little job I've got to do. Probably fill in the hole once I take out those blind things, but yeah, it's looking good. Gonna build something in here. Some storage between the beds, I think. And obviously got to get these worktops measured and a U-frame put in here for legs to support the desk. But we're getting closer. I mean, it's what's amazing is so this box. These are I got these new ones. These are long screws because they have to go through pretty much the whole way. So I needed some really long screws. And it's a box of 200 pieces and completely empty. So 200 screws have gone into that. That's a lot of screws. 100 screws per bed. Basically, obviously you got the frame, but yeah, lots. So anyway, that's where I'm up to. I'm tired, so I'm gonna stop the actual working now. Plus, I need to get on the next phase anyway. I need the wood. I'm gonna obviously. There's going to be the desk area underneath. So a section out here, one piece along there, and then a third piece along here. So kind of it's a U section, and the chair will come in the middle bit. But obviously they've got all the way round. These boxes, 4 will come under this side, probably 2 still under here, and then the same one here. I think 4 and 2. Ladders are going to go in here. So these white beds originally were bunk beds together. They were on top of each other. So I'm using these. I think they were pre-cut. So I'll probably use these holes here and here because the girls, they both want to have their heads at this end, which actually works. So this will probably be where the stairs will go. I've got to build a guardrail in here and in here, of course. But I will use. I have got the original stuff when I took them apart, and that one of those will work for each bed, so that's good. And then I'll just tie it up somehow. So the second part, there's a desk part and then the stairs, and I want the stairs to look good. And actually then the third part, I'm going to build something through here so that from both sides they have probably half the space. They have a little cupboard with shelves and stuff, some storage. So using this space in between. Underneath there'll just be space, but I think certainly coming to this level, maybe just below, having something that holds them together. So I think that'd be cool. Anyway, so a bit more to go, and then of course they'll build the furniture here, their wardrobe and bookshelf and stuff all here. So and rugs and stuff. So it'll be fun. Obviously that will all come in the reveal. Probably by next week. So yeah, that's it.